Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video guys, samahan niyo ako maglaro ng Mingle game. So let's go guys! Let's go! So guys, magsa-start na yung Mingle game. So guys, naghihintay pa ata ng mga ibang players. Unti pa lang kasi kami guys. So guys, naghihintay muna kami ng mga players. So guys, nag-start na yung Mingle game. Ito guys yung round 1. So guys, yung sound niya parang instrument lang.
Three players.
So guys, ang dami namin. Pero guys, yung iba umalis. So buti na lang guys, safe ako. So guys, ito na yung round 2 ng Mingle game. So guys, parang ang daming na eliminated na tao.
Three players.
So guys, 3 players ulit. So guys, ang dami ulit namin. So guys, yung iba nagsisialisan na. So guys, safe ulit ako. So guys, ito na yung round 3 ng Mingle game.
Five players.
So guys, 5 players naman. So guys, nag-uunahan na talaga kami papuntang door. So guys, ang dami ulit namin. So guys, safe ulit ako. So guys, dito na nag-end yung vlog. And kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2, like, comment, and subscribe. Yun lang guys, bye-bye!